Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl Crochet. In this video we're going to see how to crochet this beautiful daisy earrings. It's an easy and simple earring pattern, and if you want a free written pattern of this daisy earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. And if you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. I post project updates and fun reels on my Instagram. And if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'm going to use two colors of yarn, one in white and yellow. These are size 8 cotton crochet thread which I bought from Amazon, and I'm going to use 1.25 millimeter crochet hook for working these earrings, and we need earring hoops. We'll also need white glue for blocking these earrings and some water. So I will post a link where I have shown complete blocking instructions in the description. And for round 1 I'm going to pick up the yellow thread, and then I'm going to work a magic ring, and I'm going to work a chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as my first double crochet. After that I'm going to work 11 more double crochets around the magic ring. So including the chain 3, it's going to be 12 double crochets for round 1. Go ahead, work 11 more double crochets around the magic ring. After you have worked 11 double crochets, I'm going to tighten the magic ring, and then I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3, which is my first double crochet, to close the round 1. After you have worked your slip stitch, I'm going to tighten the magic ring more and secure it with a knot. After this, I'm going to change my thread color to white for the petals. So with the white thread, I'm going to go ahead work 9 chains. You have worked 9 chains. I'm going to go ahead work 1 single crochet on the second chain from the hook, and then I'm going to work 1 half double crochet on the next chain, which is my third chain. After that, I'm going to work 1 double crochet each on next 3 chains, 4th, 5th and 6th chains. After that, I'm going to work 1 half double crochet on next 2 chains, which is the 7th and 8th chain. And then I'm going to work 1 single crochet on the last chain. This will complete 1 petal. We need to work 12 petals around. and then I'm going to work one slip stitch. Make sure your round one is not on the wrong side, and work one slip stitch on the next stitch. We are going to pretty much repeat this around for 11 more times. Again I'm working a chain 9. After I have worked my chain 9, I'm going to go ahead, work one single crochet on the second chain from the hook. Work one half double crochet on the next chain, and then I'm going to go ahead, work one double crochet on the next 3 chains. After that I'm going to work one half double crochet on the next 2 chains, the 7th and 8th chain, and then I'm going to work one single crochet on the very last chain. With that we have worked our second petal. I'm going to go ahead, work one slip stitch on the next chain of round 1, and I'm going to repeat the same again for my third petal. Worked my third petal here. I'm going to work a slip stitch on the next stitch of round 1. We are going to repeat this around. So we should have 12 petals at the end of this round. After I have worked my 12th petal, I'll work a slip stitch on the stitch of the round 1, where we have started our first chain 9. So this is my last petal that I am working here, after which I will work a slip stitch on the stitch where I have started my starting chain 9. That is my first petal. So after the last slip stitch, you're going to secure your thread, and then you can snip it off. As you can see, the earring itself is very wobbly. You're going to go ahead, follow this pattern and make one more of this earring for a pair of earrings. So the work, as you see, is very wobbly. We need to stiffen this up or block this using one part of white glue. I use Elmer's white glue and one part of water. Mix them well, dip this work on it and air dry it for about a day. So this should get your work blocked, and look, this is the blocked one, so it's so stiff. So this is perfect time to add earring hoops to it. So you can see the difference what blocking makes to this. And then I'm going to add a earring hoop to this. Make 2 of these and block them together, so they look so dainty and so cute. it'll be perfect for your summer outfits. Go ahead, add your earring hoops to any of these petals. Here is our beautiful daisy earrings. I hope you enjoyed making them as much as I did. Try this and let me know your comments. And if you want a free written pattern of this beautiful daisy earring, you should find a link in the description box that has a free written pattern of this daisy earring, which is in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. And do follow me on my Instagram handle as well if you want to know immediate updates on the project that I am working on. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the Yarn Bowl. Thanks for watching. Bye.